Guys, we have finally gotten rid of the birds. It's been a couple of weeks since we tore the nest out the last time. Thank goodness we don't have any more birds building nests in the truck. It finally got the hint. I guess after tearing it out so many times and putting the pepper spray in there, it worked. But I know where it went to. I'll show you. Okay, I discovered where the bird went that was building the nest in the truck. I have this beautiful little planter of petunias. While watering these a few days ago, I discovered the bird has built a nest in my petunias. So Tommy, if you will zoom in underneath that black one, you might, there she went. So there you go, guys. That's where the bird's at. Guys, I'm watering in the front part of this flower, and hopefully the roots are in the front part as well, because I'm not going to do anything that's going to intentionally harm these birds. Back out. I don't know if the camera was able to catch it or not, but there's 4 little eggs about the size of my thumb. But let's get out of here and get away from this nest. But I just think it's really cool to have one right here, because once the birds come out of the nest, I'll be able to stand in the house and watch them through the window. Which, I love watching the birds anyway, so I think that's pretty cool. But guys, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.